Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic cooking tool that can revolutionize your kitchen experience, the WantJoin 8Qt aluminum pressure cooker. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this pressure cooker is and what makes it stand out. The WantJoin 8Qt pressure cooker is designed to make cooking faster and more efficient while ensuring your safety. With an impressive 8 safety features, this cooker acts like a fully armed bodyguard for your culinary adventures. It comes with a self-locking valve, a limit valve, an anti-blocking lid, a safety valve, and a pressure release window, among others. This means you can focus on creating delicious meals without worrying about your safety in the kitchen. One of the first things you'll notice is the sturdy aluminum pot, which is not only polished for a sleek look but also built to last. Aluminum is known for its excellent heat conductivity, making this cooker a great choice for evenly cooked meals. The 8-quart capacity is ample for families or entertaining, allowing you to prepare generous portions of soups, stews, and other dishes. What's more, the WantJoin pressure cooker is incredibly versatile. It can be used for a variety of cooking methods like steaming, braising, and stewing. This versatility means you can lock in the nutrients of your food while creating quick and delicious meals. Whether you're cooking beans, meats, or vegetables, this pressure cooker shines in its ability to save time and maintain flavor. One of the standout features is the burn-free handle. The long handle is designed to be heat-resistant, which means you can open and close the lid with ease, even after cooking. The lid seals tightly, preventing any gas leaks, so you can cook with confidence knowing that you're using a reliable product. Now, who is this pressure cooker suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking but may be short on time. Whether you're a busy parent trying to whip up dinner after a long day, or a meal prep enthusiast looking to batch cook for the week, this cooker has you covered. It's also great for those who enjoy canning, as it is compatible with canning needs and can be used on both gas and induction cooktops. This flexibility makes it an all-purpose cooking pot that can adapt to various cooking styles and preferences. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a hectic day and wanting to prepare a hearty meal without spending hours in the kitchen. With the WantJoin pressure cooker, you can easily toss in your ingredients, set the pressure, and let it work its magic. In no time, you'll have tender meats and flavorful stews ready to serve. Another great scenario is during the harvest season when you want to preserve your homegrown fruits and vegetables. Using this pressure cooker, you can can your produce safely and efficiently, keeping those flavors locked in for months to come. In summary, the WantJoin 8Qt aluminum pressure cooker is not just a cooking appliance, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed for safety, efficiency, and convenience. With its multiple safety features, durable construction, and multifunctional capabilities, it is perfect for families, busy professionals, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.